Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix fail to retrieve data. Sorry, please try again later. So if you're getting this error in hololive dreams game on mobile, then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. Now if you have used the VPN to download and install the hololive dreams game on your mobile devices, then you have to turn off the VPN and make sure to close the VPN app completely. Make sure that VPN cannot automatically turn on. And once the VPN app get completely disabled and turned off and you close it, and once you disconnect the VPN and close the VPN app completely, tap and hold the hololive dreams app icon, then tap on app info, then tap on force stop and confirm it, then go to storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it, and then click on clear data. Now please take a note, clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. And you have to clear the app data, only then this error will get fixed. So simply tap on delete to confirm it, and then don't start the game, simply restart your device. And once your device restart, then you can go ahead and launch the hololive dreams game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these steps, you can easily fix fail to retrieve data, sorry, please try again later error in hololive dreams game on mobile devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.